Welcome back to Tap Tech, where innovation meets imagination. Today, we're diving deep into Canon's next big release, the EOS R6 Mark III. Ever feel like you're chasing the ultimate hybrid mirrorless camera, the one that balances stills, video, speed, and handling perfectly? Well, stick around, you just might be witnessing its arrival. Canon's long-awaited EOS R6 Mark III is inching closer, and the excitement is real. Let's get into what we know and what we're guessing with a clear lens. Canon insiders and rumor mills are buzzing, and though nothing's official yet, the signs are compelling. First up, when might Canon pull the curtain back? The buzz suggests a soft announcement could drop between now and mid-September 2025, possibly aligning with major industry events. Then again, earlier projections pointed to the first quarter of 2025, especially around the CP Plus show in Japan late February to early March, but obviously, that timeframe has passed. So here's the most plausible timeline, a reveal before mid-September 2025, with an announcement drop possibly any day now. Now, let's talk upgrades. What's hot in the rumor circuit? One of the most discussed features is the sensor. Some reports speculate a jump to a 30 to 32 megapixel sensor, with readout speeds positioned between the R1 and R5 Mark II, fast, yet balanced. But others are sticking with a 24 megapixel all-new sensor, possibly derived from the R3. So is Canon testing multiple sensors, still refining? Could be. But if a resolution bump lands, it could sweeten the deal without tipping into overkill. Next, EVF and display technology. Rumor points to a brand new EVF, not just spec bumped, but redesigned in format. For the rear screen, whispers say an innovative flip-out mechanism, maybe dual-axis, more flexible and action-friendly. Let that sink in, improved high/low-angle framing for both vlogging and stills. Perfect when you're mounting your camera on gimbals or shooting from odd angles. Then there's the proverbial elephant, processing power. The R5 Mark II introduced the Digic accelerator alongside the Digic X chip, unlocking smarter autofocus, better real-time subject detection, and upscaling that's top-tier tech. If Canon brings the accelerator to the R6 Mark III, this mid-range body could feel like a flagship in disguise. What about autofocus and video? The Mark III may borrow advanced subject detection AF, neural network-based noise reduction, 6K video enhancements, and maybe cinema raw light support. In other words, if video and hybrid functionality are your thing, this could be huge. For mid-tier creators, getting our R5 Mark II level AF and powerful image stabilization with balanced resolution and form factor could be a game-changer. Price-wise, the R6 Mark II launched at $2,499. Most rumors suggest the Mark III will be more expensive, but under $3,000. Some buyers will weigh whether a discounted R6 Mark II makes more sense, especially if the Mark III is closer to the $3,000 mark. All this leads to an interesting crossroads. Is Canon refining or reinventing? Rumors hint at refinement, with wheels already turning under the hood. Improved EVF and screen, faster sensor, smarter processing, these are iterative, but impactful. Canon's goal may also be to keep the Mark III competitive with the Nikon Z6 III, the current mirrorless darling thanks to its hybrid performance. Canon may well aim to take the lead again. Native strengths of the R6 lineup: great ergonomics, RF lens ecosystem, in-body image stabilization paired with those rumored upgrades, might create a serious hybrid champion. Now, while we wait, imagine mounting this new R6 on your gimbal, flipping that screen out low to capture room vibrancy. That's the kind of upgrade that makes workflow easier. Wrapping up with specs we're watching. Announcement expected before September 15, 2025. Sensor, rumored 24MP all-new, or possibly 30 to 32MP. EVF, redesigned, improved. Rear screen, flexible, dual-axis flip. Processor, possibly Digic X plus Digic accelerator equals smarter AF and noise reduction. Autofocus, potentially lifted from our 5 Mark II with advanced subject detection. Video, might gain 6K enhancements and cinema raw light. Price, likely between $2,500 to $3,000. If even half of this pans out, the R6 Mark III could become one of Canon's smartest hybrid moves yet. That's our full deep dive on the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Make sure you're subscribed to Tap Tech, so you won't miss the official reveal. See you in the next one.